In this video, I'm going to show you two delicious sandwich recipes that hardly takes 5 minutes to make, and you can pretty much enjoy it any time of the day. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. Today we are gonna go over two simple but delicious sandwich recipes. One is for my pure vegetarian friends and the other one is pretty much for everyone else. Both are super quick to make. It will hardly take you 5 minutes. So if you are ready to get this video underway, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It's a free way to support the channel. And if you are new around here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And now, let's get started. Let's start off with the high protein egg sandwich. To make it, boil 3 whole eggs and chop 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites into small pieces as such. Keep in mind though, we are using only 1 whole egg, and for the other 2, we are just using the egg whites and not the yolk. Once done, transfer them into a bowl and add 1/4 of a medium onion, 1/4 of a chopped cucumber, 1/4 of a bell pepper, feel free to go with any color, 1 green chili, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of low-calorie mayo. You can go with this one if you're in India, or you can go with the light mayo if you're in the States or any other part of the world. Finally, add some black pepper and salt and give it a good mix. Next, take 4 slices of bread. I went with this one, which is 70 calories per slice. Distribute the filling across 2 slices of bread. Cover the top with the other 2 slices. Lightly, very lightly coat one side of the bread with butter. Place the coated side on the pan, set on medium flame. While that toasts, lightly coat the other side with some butter too. Toast the sandwich until the bread is golden brown and crispy on both sides. Should take about 2 to 3 minutes. And there you go. Your delicious high protein egg sandwich is ready. This entire recipe is just about 450 calories, of which 56 grams are carbs, 10 grams are fat, and 26 grams are protein. If you divide this into 2 servings, which is just 1 sandwich, then that's about 225 calories, of which 28 grams are carbs, 5 grams are fat, and 13 grams are protein. Delicious, nutritious, and easy as hell to make. Moving on to the next sandwich recipe, which is even simpler to make. This one is for those of you who don't eat eggs. It's a high protein paneer sandwich. To make it, take 112 grams of crumbled low fat paneer. This is the one I went with. Then add 1/4 of a medium onion, 1/4 of a bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, about 1/2 to 3/4 tablespoon of green chili sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala, and finally some pepper and salt. Give that all a good mix and your filling is ready. And then pretty much the steps are the same. Distribute the filling across 2 slices of bread, cover them up with the other 2 slices, lightly coat with some butter, toast both sides until the bread is golden brown and crispy. And there you have it. Your mouth-watering high protein paneer sandwich is ready. This is a total of about 700 calories, of which 65 grams are carbs, 24 grams are fat, and 41 grams are protein. If you divide this into 2 servings, which is 1 sandwich, then that's about 350 calories, of which 33 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 20 grams are protein. And there you have it, guys. 2 insanely quick sandwich recipes that taste amazing. All they require are a few simple ingredients and can be prepared for breakfast or can be taken to work. Or if you're feeling lazy after work and you're looking for something quick for dinner, this can be your go-to meal. And with that, guys, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, go ahead, like the video. Please do subscribe to the channel. Try the recipe out. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.